The best part coming to the Brewmaster and doing my course is the ambience and the friendly nature of Ashmi and her teaching techniques that made me simplify everything. Before it was very tough, like 6 days I can't do this course like uh, anything, but she made me make it like this magic happened within 6 days. And the best part is you'll do this on model on the second day of your training. So most people are get scared of that, but Ash will make you very easy. That's the best part I feel. So we're working on the model. Compared to other, like everything felt like geometry or something other these things, but with her experience and with her knowledge, she really simplified everything. Wherever we couldn't understand, she teaches it in her own way, not in her like logic way or anything, in her own way, and make it more simple to you.